Hi neighbors, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Neighbors. My name is Jerri-ellen and today we are making a very quick and easy weeknight meal. It's budget friendly, it comes together very quickly, and it's called hamburger bake, cheeseburger hamburger bake. Cheeseburger bake. Yes, cheeseburger bake. Let's go with that. And neighbors, before we get into this, I just want to say thank you so much for taking time out of your day to come into my kitchen and spend some time with me. It's greatly appreciated, and I love you all for it. Thanks so much. So in a pan here, I have a pound of ground meat. You can use ground turkey, ground chicken, ground beef, whatever you prefer for your cheeseburger. And I added a diced up onion to this. Add as little or as much of that as you want because you're making it for your family and you know what they like. Add salt and pepper to taste, and I'm going to let that fry up for a little bit. And this is not going to be the prettiest meal, but it's going to be pretty tasty. That's all that matters. Add yourself 1/3 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of relish, a sweet relish I have in there, and a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce. Yes, sir. Give it all a good mix. I hope everybody is doing well. And today it is a snowy day. We have snow squalls. It's pretty cold. So we're going to have to get the old doggy jacket on puppy when she's going outside today. But yeah, I guess tis the season for snow. My oven is preheated, by the way, to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So around 175 to 180 degrees Celsius. And now I have 8 slices of toast. I buttered both sides of my toast. I am going to put down 4 slices on a 9 by 9 inch baking pan here. And then I'm going to top it with half of my meat mixture. So I grated a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to put half a cup on top of my meat mixture, or you can use cheese slices, and another 4 slices of toast, the other half of my meat mixture. This comes together so easy, and it's really tasty for something so simple. And then I'm going to add the other half of my cheese. And I have 175 milliliters of milk, or 3/4 of a cup, 1 large egg that I'm going to beat up with a fork here, add it to my milk, and put some salt and pepper to taste, and pour this all over my toast and meat and cheese here in my dish. And I'm going to add paprika. I'm using smoked paprika and just a dusting of it over the top. I like the color, and smoked paprika, I like that flavor for it. And I'm going to pop this in my oven and set my timer, and I'll be right back. Is that amazing out there, honey? That amazing stuff out there. There's our little girl getting ready for her walkies. You got your winter jacket on? Oh yeah? Got your winter coat on, honey?
Hi, puppy.
Too much, Mama. There you go.
I used that.
That's better. Daddy knows how to do it.
This is how we do it with Fitco. I gotta get my ears out. See?
So 35 minutes later, I'll show you what it looks like. And it smells really good. It doesn't look like much, but I'm telling you, it smells good and it tastes really good. Now, butter the bread really well, because sometimes, as you will see, some little parts get stuck. Like I find the crust. I should have buttered the crust a little bit, actually, because that's the part along the edges sometimes can get kind of harder to come off. But anyway, I like the crust that it gives. And I got some crispy bits and some soft bits.
Smells good.
Yeah, that's what I like.
It smells better than good. Smells awesome.
Alright. And you want to know what it kind of tastes like? kind of in between a manwich and a sloppy joe, sort of, but a lot less messy. And yeah, so if you're looking for something a little different and something that comes together quick and easy, and that's pretty tasty, you got to give this a try. Peace, love, and God bless, and please come back again. Like, share, subscribe. Take care, everyone. I appreciate you.